Okay, what I wanted to talk about was the direction of rotation. You see it's, well, it depends on which way you're looking at it, clockwise or counterclockwise. But I've got this one labeled A. I do, don't I? Yeah, these are the halls. And I was labeling this accordance with what I figured out for this little JY01 that I burnt up. That I have a new one that I haven't put the wires on yet, so blah blah blah. And this is my homemade one, yeah, whatever you want to call it, with the 5 volts running the Arduino and the FETs on a separate power supply over there, my lithium ion ferrite. They're iron, those are the iron ones, not poly. So it's 3.7 volts and they're charged to right at 4 volts, so that's running at 12 volts. And it's screaming really good, and so far nothing has smoked. I keep saying this over and over, I don't have the FET drivers in there, which my next build will. What I wanted to look at here was commutation tables. And I use the lights, the LEDs, and I hook up my halls over here to the these 3 lights here, and I can see what the halls are doing, and I hook up the outputs of each FET to these highs and lows, and see what it's doing, and then I can see how it matches the table, and it's matching the counterclockwise, so I can go in and change my program. Let's see, here it is. It's probably flashing, but my Arduino program, I will have to go back and add the clockwise and add a switch that I can change to make it run forward and backwards. That's the next step here while I've got things working. But this is the commutation table, the way I have it running right now. And it's interesting because you've got the phase listings here do not correspond with the actual value of the halls. You see this is 4, and this is 6, and 2, and 3, 1, and 5. And so that's the hall values, which I use in my switch method on I don't know if it's actually a method anyway, my switch and whatever you call it in my program, and I have to set up for a clockwise. So it says it's running counterclockwise, but from this angle it's running clockwise. So I guess we're looking at the back of the motor, at least the way I've got it running. So I just wanted to talk about that a little bit and look at these tables.